Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Obapa Equiaskini. Today's recipe, we are going to make leave-in hair condition with hair growth oil. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and you are welcome. So let's talk about the ingredient that we are going to use. You need distilled water. Also, you need vegetable glycerin, hempseed oil, which is very good for the hair, and vegetable glycerin too is very good for the hair. You need BTMS 25, that's conditioner wax, that's used for hair product. You need marshmallow root powder, that's very good for hair growth and also help detangle your hair, make your hair very silky. You need tea tree essential oil, neem seed essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. They all help in hair growth. It's very good to grow your hair with this kind of essential oils because they are made for hair growth and also very good for skin. You need Germall preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice. You also need vitamin E because vitamin E is very good for hair. So add your marshmallow root powder to your warm water. So you need to warm the water before we need to make a tea. You let it sit for 10 minutes. After that, you strain it because we don't want any particles in this hair condition. And the marshmallow root help grow your hair and at the same time can make your hair very soft. It will not let your hair detangle, so when you comb it, you are not going to break your hair, but rather your hair will be silky and soft. So you add your conditioner wax with your hempseed oil and your vitamin E oil, then you melt. You add your vegetable glycerin to your infused marshmallow root water, and that's one too. You warm it up. So after the temperature, both temperature is 140 degrees, combine the two ingredients, that's the distilled water infused and the oils. So add preservative to the leave-in condition and mix them together very well. So next we are going to add our essential oil. So you are going to add your neem tree essential oil, tea tree, rosemary, and neem tree seed oil. Neem tree seed oil is very good for the hair because it can cure a lot of disease. If you have a scalp problem like itchy scalp, it's very good and also grow hair. Tea tree to help grow your hair very well. Peppermint is very good for the hair. So you can read all. Don't forget to subscribe to my second YouTube channel at Queen Mother DIY TV. Please subscribe because that place, so I have a lot of recipe there that you can learn from. So when the temperature cool down, you pour your leave-in condition into your container, then you use it as the way you use your hair condition. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell. Bye bye.